Alright, my YouTuber do-it-yourselfers. This is part 2 of my video of repairing my gear shifter and my '06 Dodge Charger. I just put everything back together. Now it's time to test out and let's see if it works. Start up the car. Cut the music off. Alright, foot's on brake. Let's see if this works out. And there you have it. Go ahead and pull up a little bit in my driveway. Alright. Put it back in park. Let's go ahead and try to take it back out of park. Clean flow. So, there you have it. It works. Like I said, the key ring holder is pretty strong and stable, so it held. Didn't have a problem putting it back in. Didn't block anything. The spring held tight. And that's it. Till next time. Hope you guys appreciate and use the video. Thanks.